Welcome back to day 24 of the Mixed Media 28-day project. So last night I was watching a YouTube video by Oliver Pyle. I'll put the link above here. And he was talking about the use of transparent paints versus opaque paints. Now, sometimes you can get muddy colors with opaque paints. His solution, and he showed a demonstration, which you have to go watch it. It's just fascinating. Using a bigger brush with is better for not making muddy colors, because it gives you more paint and more liquid, more fluid paint on the brush. He talks about it in depth. I encourage you to go watch the video. Another thing that he talked about too, like when we're creating washes and creating soft, blurry, soft lines within a piece. One of the things he talked about was bringing the wash all the way down and then going over that with another color to create softer lines instead of hard edges. So I'm going to play around with these ideas a little bit today, but let's get started. Okay, so we got our big brush out. Let's start with some Payne's Gray. Oh, I want to spray this. I want to spray this down a little bit first, though. I'll give some water here. Maybe not that much water. Let's take some of that up. Okay, so let's start up here at the top. And you can see, look at all that pigment in there. Like, I was really fascinated by what he was talking about because it was completely opposite of everything that I've been told about watercolor, which is always a shocker. And he demonstrates it. So it's like, wow, okay, that makes total sense when you think about it in that way. Let's put some lines through here. Just a fascinating, some really crazy ideas. But let's come in with a little bit of this sanguine. I'm going to put Mr. Pyle's techniques to the test here today. I'm going to see what happens. So yeah, I do watch a lot of YouTube videos. I'm going to take a little bit of this paint away here with a little wet, damp brush. I'm a big consumer of YouTube videos. I watch a lot. Sometimes I watch them with sound off while I'm sitting with my partner watching TV. But a lot of times I'm just sort of, kind of doing my thing, hanging out with my guy, watching TV. All right, let's come in with a little bit of this umber color, which is a fabulous color. So there we have that. I'm going to put I think I'm going to put some sepia through there. So let's come in with this color. I did put down some wax lines through here, just because I wanted some of those lines coming through. I can already see a difference in the quality of the paint. It's almost like I wasn't using enough paint, if that makes sense. Let's put some marks through here. Maybe, let's do a couple of these lines through here. But yeah, always love learning new things from other artists and passing them on to you guys so we can all learn together, hopefully. Let's make a little bit of a mix here with this sepia and the umber. And then we're just going to put this through here. Kind of like right there, maybe. I'm going to come in with a little bit of this brush. I mean, I can already tell a difference. I can tell a difference in the quality of this paint. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, I really like what's going on here. I'm loving it. I think we need a little bit more of that orange through there. What do you guys think? I think we need some of that orange color. Maybe just a little bit through there, and then maybe some down through here as well. Kind of mix those together and let them blend together on the palette. What do we think? I think I'm liking it so far. Let's get a little bit more of that sepia, or I guess this is the cherry pit. And then I think I just want to do another little bit of just straight cherry pit through here. Let's come back in with this brush. Ooh, what if we mix the cherry pit? Let's put some of the cherry pit with the sepia, maybe. Ooh, that's a really fun color. Like that. Let's add a little bit more of that sepia. Or that sanguine, sorry. I think I'm going to pull it down just a little bit. I did have a suggestion. Somebody suggested bringing in a white crayon and marking into the wet paint. I'm not sure what that's going to do, but we're going to try it. Really kind of just moves the paint around. That's an interesting texture. I kind of like that. Okay, I love what's going on up here. Do I need more of that color? I don't know. I think we need some like purple or something in there. Let's let this dry and then we'll come back and add some more color. Okay, look at these lines that white, by putting the white wax crayon over that wash. That's kind of fun. Okay, let's put down a little bit of, make some pencil marks. I think I want to do the purple color again. I just want some marks through here. I just love how we can add marks this way. And I love how I can definitely see how these are more bold colors through here. Let's come in with a little bit of line work through here. Subtle. Should we bring it down? Let's bring it down into this section a little bit. Just kind of want to make that shape kind of come across. Let's come in with a little bit of, oh, where's that color? This is called Natural. I don't know what it is. It's like it looks like it's gray. I guess that's natural. Let's put some lines through here. Really want more of that purple color. But I think we're just going to add, I'm just going to add some marks through here with this color. Just to give it some texture. A little wet. Maybe we need like coming through here. I like that. Make it a little. Keep this pretty simple today, I think. So I've been thinking about what we're going to do next. I feel like I want to concentrate. Maybe we should do some more jelly printing, maybe. So definitely let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see. Let's spray this a little bit. We could do jelly printing with watercolor. We could do just jelly printing. I don't know. So many possibilities. I'm really loving the watercolors right now, but I feel like I've been doing a lot of watercolors. What else? What else? Maybe a few black marks. Let me try this. So this is just oil pastel, black oil pastel. I think it's the Pentel version on deli paper. And it just helps us create some really fun marks with this. One of my favorite ways to add marks. I like oil pastel, but as we all know, it's kind of chunky. And it's hard to get really thin lines. We can use a palette knife. We can also, let me find my tool. We can also use one of these stylus to make a few bolder marks like that, if we so desire. One thing that we want to remember too is that we want to make sure that our marks are varied. You can also scrape back into it, because we don't want all of our marks to be the same weight and the same type of marks. So we've got lots of thin, but then we've got these patches of, I think I want to put a little bit more. Sort of like how that's working. Fun. I think I want just a few bolder marks through here. And I can overdo it on marks. I know I'm a mark fiend. So I liked what was going on there. What if we brought some marks through here? Yeah, I think I like that. Sort of like create some movement going through here. Okay. I think this one's done. It feels done to me. Do I want to make that a little darker? I don't think I do. I think I like it kind of being there on the horizon. Okay, let's look at it with matte. I like it. What do I like about it? I love the sky. Like, I love how this just sort of seamlessly blends in. And like I told you before, I'm not very good at washes, but that one seemed to work out pretty well, which is awesome. I liked this idea of bringing the wash all the way down and then coming over top of it with another color, and you kind of get the little bit of that luminosity from that orange. I like that purple line. I think it's really fabulous. I like the wax crayon. I think that's good. I can definitely see a difference in the pigment as far as how much I used. And I don't know that I used more pigment. I think it was just a thicker, juicier pigment. And with the bigger brush, it definitely made a difference in the quality of the application, which is very interesting to me. So we're definitely going to be using that going forward. Oh, I really like the lines in the sky too. So I think there are good marks here. It's a little simple, but I kind of like it being simple. I feel like there are great strides here compared to what we've been doing. It's a little less chaotic, a little less messy, a little more conformed in value. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video. I will see you tomorrow for day 25, and we'll cruise on into the end of the month. Finish strong. Think about what you want to see from me going forward, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.